Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
SP ka East Khas Hills District uba Vivek CM ulayathu bahakapor bau Akash Rajput Vishal Singh Chauhan baru Anand Kurmi kimut banpom dakawat yau Raja Raghuvanshi kasonam Raghuvanshi kadan khamhakmat jong Raja kadba Vishal ubalatip kum Viki uyeng hakaliang kamon jong Raja Akash pat uyeng khamhadien hakaliang kadiang kadba Anand uyeng hakaliang kadiang Habakran cekilat patai kubor hadien ka jinglet yalam ya kasonam Raghuvanshi bat ye kilai ngut hawai saudang ulai thu ba Vishal ulapom dakawat yau Raja Raghuvanshi hakba ulapendan kam dabaro artli kikti jong banbat ya kawat ulai thu ru bahadien bala depom yau Raja dakawat kasnam kala lingkin hamadan bat kasonam kala phetno na kate ka jaka hadien ba Raja ulalinyar Hadien bakila dapom dakawat yau Raja kini kilai ngot kilara ban Bret yu hapo Riat hakaba uwei naki ulabat naki kejat bat arngot kilabat nakakti
Sonam's phone has been she's actually disposed of, destroyed that phone and thrown off that phone.
The ornaments that Radha was wearing, gold chain, the money, where?
See, that has already been actually taken out right from down there, right from Ngut. Only there was no gold being worn on him. It was already in the bag.
Sir, he was wearing.
Was he hit from behind? Was he taken by surprise? Yes, he was taken by surprise. The first hit was from Vicky, and it was I think it was a very hard hit because it used, I think, 2 hands it used for that hit.
सर राजा ने अपने आप को बचाने के लिए कैसे कोशिश की थी क्या हाथापाई हुई थी और सोनम उस वक्त कहाँ पर मौजूद थी सोनम ने भी क्या उसे मारने की कोशिश की थी या लाश को डंप करने में मदद की थी
See, Sonam was there when this happened and all that. And
कितना दूरी पे होगा सर कम से कम
Sonam had already given a signal to them just before the parking lot that we should finish the job. And Sonam was close by. In fact, she was in front when this happened. Sonam was in front, Raja was behind, Vishal was to the right, Akash was just to the behind but to his left, and Anand was to his right or to his left. When this happened, when the first hit was given by Vishal, and the blood came out and he had fallen, which we have reconstructed that. She ran off from that place because he was screaming. So she just moved away from that spot.